Many people want remote jobs, but they don't know which ones are legitimate or how to get started. In this video, you'll discover beginner-friendly remote jobs that pay in dollars and how to qualify for them. Welcome to DollarPath Academy. You've probably heard that most online jobs are scams, and honestly, a lot of them are. But today, I'm going to show you 5 completely legit, beginner-friendly remote jobs that you can start right now, even with zero experience. And the best part, they pay in US dollars no matter where you live. So let's get right into it. The first one on our list is remote customer support, specifically focusing on email and chat. A lot of companies are ditching traditional call centers because, let's be real, nobody likes being on hold. They'd rather hire people like you to answer customer questions through email or live chat. This is perfect if you're a good communicator and have basic typing skills. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience, you just need to be helpful and friendly. The pay for this usually starts around $15 to $25 an hour. You can find these jobs on sites like We Work Remotely, Flex Jobs, and even on company career pages directly. Just search for email support or chat support representative. Next up, we have data entry. This might sound a bit old school, but it's one of the easiest online jobs to get into. Think about it. Every business has data, sales figures, customer information, inventory lists, you name it. They need someone to organize this information, transfer it from one system to another, or update spreadsheets. It's often simple, repetitive work that requires attention to detail. You're basically just copying and pasting or typing information into a database. The pay can range from $12 to $20 an hour depending on the complexity of the task. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and even Amazon's Mechanical Turk are great places to find these gigs. The key here is to be accurate and fast. Job number 3 is a big one: virtual assistant or VA. This sounds fancy, but at its core, a virtual assistant just helps businesses with basic online tasks. This could be anything from managing social media accounts, scheduling appointments, booking flights, or organizing emails. If you're organized and know your way around the internet, you can be a VA. The cool thing is you can specialize. Maybe you're great at creating simple graphics on Canva, you can offer that as a service. Or maybe you're a pro at keeping an inbox clean. The scope is huge. VAs can earn anywhere from $15 to $50 an hour or even more as they gain experience and specialize. Look for VA jobs on sites like Zirtual, Belay, and dedicated Facebook groups for virtual assistants. Our fourth legit remote job is content moderation. Every social media platform, forum, and online community needs people to make sure the content being posted is appropriate and follows their guidelines. As a content moderator, your job is to review user-generated content like comments, photos, and videos and remove anything that violates the rules. This job is crucial for keeping online spaces safe. It does require you to be resilient because you might see some negative stuff, but it's a very in-demand role. The pay is typically between $15 and $22 an hour. You can find these positions on the career pages of major tech companies like Meta and TikTok, or through outsourcing companies like Epin and TELUS International. And finally, job number 5 is dedicated chat support. This is similar to the first job but focuses exclusively on live chat. You won't be making any phone calls. A lot of people prefer this because it's less stressful than talking on the phone, and you can often handle multiple chats at once, making you more efficient. You'll be helping customers with their orders, answering questions about products, and solving problems in real time through a chat window. The skills needed are pretty much the same: good typing speed, strong grammar, and a patient attitude. Pay is similar to other customer support roles, usually around $15 to $25 an hour. Check out sites like the Chat Shop and Outplex to find these specific roles. So, to recap, we have email and chat support, data entry, virtual assistant, content moderation, and dedicated chat support. All of these are real jobs that real companies are hiring for right now. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes that beginners make when applying for these jobs. The biggest mistake is sending out a generic resume and cover letter to hundreds of places. Don't do that. Instead, take a few minutes to tailor your application to the specific job you're applying for. Read the job description carefully and highlight the skills they're looking for. Even if you don't have official experience, you can mention relevant skills from school projects, volunteering, or even managing your own social media. For example, if you're applying for a VA role, you can say highly organized with experience managing personal schedules and travel plans. Another mistake is having an unprofessional online presence. Recruiters will often look you up. Make sure your social media profiles are either private or clean and professional. Your email address should also be simple and professional, like your first and last name, not something like QDP_1999. So, what are the simple steps to get started today? First, pick one or two of the job types we discussed that sound most interesting to you. Second, polish your resume. Focus on skills, not just past job titles. Use keywords from the job descriptions you're targeting. Third, create profiles on a few of the job sites I mentioned, like Upwork, FlexJobs, and We Work Remotely. And finally, start applying. Don't get discouraged if you don't hear back right away. The key is consistency. Aim to send out a few tailored applications every day. It's totally possible to land one of these remote jobs and start earning in dollars, even without any prior experience. You just need to know where to look and how to present yourself. Take it one step at a time and you'll get there. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you found value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on making money online. And hey, stick around because in the next video, DollarPath Academy is going to break down the exact strategy you can use to start earning your first $100 a day online. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.